Hello friends, welcome back to Broadcast Indian. So guys, in today's video we'll be talking about Quebec Skilled Worker Program. So if you're planning to move to Quebec and settle down in Quebec in future, do check this program out. So one of the main things of this program is that this is not aligned with Express Entry system. So it has its own point system and you have to apply through a portal, online portal named as Arima portal. So I have all the details covered in this video. So do check it out from the beginning till the end so that you don't miss any of the steps. And before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so and do hit the like button if you like this video in the end. And without wasting any more time, let's start the video.
Hi guys, in today's video I will be discussing about an immigration program in one of the popular provinces in Canada, that is Quebec. And the program I will be discussing about is Quebec Skilled Worker Program. Like always, I will start with the brief overview of the program, followed by the eligibility criteria and requirements, and in the end, step-by-step process on how to apply into this program. Let's start with the overview first. The pathways for immigration to Quebec region in 2020 are divided into three subcategories broadly. The three streams are Quebec Skilled Worker Program, Quebec Experience Program, Quebec Business Program. Out of these, the most popular one is the Quebec Skilled Workers Program, which allows the skilled workers to immigrate to the region. Let's discuss in detail on what this program is all about. It's a point-based Canadian immigration program for qualified foreign workers who want to live and work in Quebec. When I say point-based, I am not talking about CRS points, as this program is not aligned with the express entry system. It has its own point grid system based on which candidates are selected. Earlier, this program used to work on first come first serve basis, but now it is totally different as we have to submit an expression of interest through an outline portal, which is called an ARIMA portal. We will discuss later in the video on how to create your expression of interest profile with ARIMA portal. The application cost of applying in this two program is 798 Canadian dollar for primary applicant and additional $171 for a secondary applicant and $171 for a child if applicable. Processing time for the application is around 13 months. This is an approximate number, it may be less or more depending upon the situation. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria or the requirements before you apply for this program. There are 9 selection factors under this stream and the points are awarded for the selection. What this really means is that depending on each of the factors I am about to mention, you will get a certain score. So first is the age. Second one is education, which is further divided into two parts. First is level of education, for example, high school diploma, bachelor's degree, master's degree you have obtained from your country of residence. Second is the field of training, which means the area of your study. So, depending on the area of your study, you will be given certain points. Examples are accounting, nursing, engineering, etc. Third is work experience. You should have work experience in NOC 0, A, B, or C during the 5 years prior to applying for the program. Language requirements. For this, English is compulsory and French is optional. So if you do French as well, that will help to boost your overall points. Next is connection to Quebec, which means if you have worked in Quebec or studied in Quebec or have visited Quebec before, or you have a family member in Quebec like sibling, parents, etc. Next comes job offer. This is not necessary for this program, but if you have it, then it gives you extra points. Next is if spouse is applying with you for this program, and that can give you extra points for wives, education, area of training, age, and language proficiency. Then comes other factors like number of children under the age of 19 years who will accompany you to Quebec if applicable. Then comes the fund, which is less than express entry. Now let me quickly show you the required fund for this program. Here is the PDF which has a list of funds and the link is given in the description box below. As you can see, here are a single applicant. The funds required are 3,243 and for two adults it's 4,756. So you can calculate the total funds required depending on the number of people applying under your application. Now, one important difference that we have in this program as compared to other PR programs in Canada is that you don't require to submit an ECA report for your education, as Quebec has its own comparative evaluation for studies, so you can submit the transcripts directly with your application. To qualify, you need a minimum score from the 9 factors that I just mentioned in the previous slide. So, for single applicant, the score is 50, and with spouse, you will need 59 points. Let me show you the PDF which explains how much points you can get for the attributes that you possess. As you can see here, for the education, you can get maximum 26, depending what education you have and the area of study. So for level of education you can get maximum 14 points, and for the area of training you can get 12 points. Let me move over to this other PDF which lists the area of training and corresponding points you can get. As you can see on the right side is the field of education, and you can get 12 points if your field of study lies in any of these occupations. You can go through the list. I will provide the link in the description box below. Coming back to the points grid, for the experience you can get maximum 8 points, for age maximum 16 points, for language proficiency 22 points, which is the combination of French and English. Connection with Quebec will give you 8 points. Characteristics of accompanying spouse can give you up to 17 points. If you have any doubt in the points grid, you can comment in the comment box below. Now let's move on to the step-by-step process on how to apply into this program. First one is obtain IELTS for English language proficiency, and for French you can give exams like TEFAQ and TEF. Second is you need to create an expression of interest profile through an online portal which is also called Arima portal and enter the pool. Let me explain what this portal is all about. Arima portal is an online portal for Quebec skilled worker program. This enables candidates to express their interest to apply for permanent residence in Canada. You need to be 18 years old or older to submit an expression of interest. You don't need to provide any documents at this stage. So when you go online on the link of Arima portal, you will enter a virtual waiting room. You will have to wait till being granted access to the portal. Once granted access, then you can start creating the profile in a 90-minute session. The profile has to be completed within 30 days and is valid for 1 year. During this period, candidates are allowed to update and revise their Arima portal profile. Third is, if your profile corresponds to the invitation criteria established by the ministry, you may be invited to submit an application for permanent selection. This has to be submitted within 60 days of receiving the invite. To submit an immigration application, you must complete your permanent selection application form and send the required documents in support of your application for permanent selection. Here is the PDF which has a list of documents that need to be submitted. I will provide the link in the description box below. Go through it and let me know by commenting below this video if you have any doubts. Next point is the ministry will process your application using the regular skilled worker program selection grid. After receiving your Quebec selection certificate, you must submit an application for permanent residence as a skilled worker selected by the Quebec to the centralized intake office in Canada. So for applying your PR application, go to this link cic.gc.ca and go through this page. This will list additional documents that are required with PR application, how to fill out the application, fees, etc. And after you have everything compiled, you will need to mail this application at the address provided here.
So guys, that's all for today's video. If you have doubt in any of the steps, do let me know in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos like these, and do hit the like button of the video if you found this video informational, and do share it with your friends who are planning to visit Quebec in future and applying for Canada PR. So until we meet next time, bye bye.